In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a class in Google Classroom. Here's the plan. We'll start on the Google homepage, open Classroom from the Google Apps menu, archive the class first, and then permanently delete it from your archived classes. Quick heads up, only the primary teacher can delete a class, and once you delete it in Classroom, that action can't be undone. Open your web browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the grid of 9 dots. From the panel that opens, select Classroom. If you don't see it in the grid, you can type classroom.google.com into the address bar to go straight there. On your Classroom home, find the class you want to remove. On its class card, click the 3-dot More Options menu, choose Archive. Google Classroom will prompt you to confirm because archiving takes the class out of your active list and stops new activity for students, but it doesn't erase anything yet. You'll see a confirmation screen, click Next, and then click Archive again to finish moving it. This is required before deletion. You can't delete an active class. Now let's permanently remove it. Open the main menu in the top left corner and select Archived Classes. Locate the class you just archived. Click the 3-dot More Options menu on that class and choose Delete. A final confirmation window appears to make sure you're certain. Click Delete one more time to permanently remove the class from Classroom. A few important tips before you move on. Deleting a class cannot be reversed in Classroom, so double check that you've selected the correct class. While the class itself, its stream, grades, and assignments, is removed from Classroom, files stored in Google Drive are typically left in the class folder for you to manage separately. If the delete option is grayed out or missing, you may not be the primary teacher or your organization may have restrictions. In that case, reach out to the class owner or your administrator. If you only needed to tidy your homepage, archiving alone is often enough. You can keep archived classes for records and even restore them later from the same archived classes page. But if you're sure you're done with the class and want a clean slate in Classroom, the delete step you just completed is the final cleanup. And that's it. You opened Classroom from Google, archived the class, and deleted it from archived classes for a complete permanent removal. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you'd like to follow along step by step.